Records at the Manx Grand Prix have been creeping up year by year, so the crowds are ready for still bigger thrills as the riders prepare for the 1960 senior event. Final touches from the pit boys and they're ready for the starter's flag. First away is C.J. Williams on a Norton with 132 others waiting to follow him at 10-second intervals. J. Adam, who won a Newcomers Award last year. Ellis Boyce making good time, but the pace is grueling from the start. Here come Eddie Crooks, a native Manxman, and ARC Hunter with Tom Thorpe on his tail. Thorpe smashes the lap record second time round, but Eddie Crooks tops it. Then Crooks does it again, 96.3 miles an hour, beating his own time. So it's hardly surprising to anyone when the Manxman romps home winner by a full half-minute. Eddie Crooks' wife and mother congratulate him on a double victory, for his Ramsey Club have the team prize too. Over the Atlantic for some four-wheeled news. The Austin Healey Sprite showing its paces at Bonneville, Salt Flats, Utah. This British sports car with its 950cc supercharged engine is known as the X219, an experimental version of the production model. Ed Levens of Canada is one of Tommy Wisdom's team of drivers who have their eyes on quite a number of international records. And quite a number it is. The 12-hour class record goes for a Burton with an average of 138.7 miles an hour. So do the 200-mile dash, the 500 kilometers, the 3-hour dash, and 5 other international marks. And if that isn't enough, over 40 U.S. records, too, in the bag. What's one more in a family this size? In fact, it's 2 months old Anthony, newest child.